Keeping kids busy and happy has been a challenge throughout the pandemic. So when a Sudbury man saw ice rinks closed, he wanted to make sure that his hockey-loving grandkids still had a safe place to play. WBZ's Lisa Gresci has the story.
Sounds you wouldn't expect to be coming from a quiet Sudbury neighborhood backyard. For the Bongiornos, they're saying good morning to a whole lot more this winter.
It was all morning. Papa, can we skate? Papa, can we skate?
Is it done yet? And it was so hard to wait, but it's done now.
7-year-old Nicholas skating his heart out with his younger sister Amelia.
His eyes were huge saucers, and we can skate, we can skate.
And it's all thanks to his Papa Tony, a Navy vet who built everything you see, scoreboard included, with his own 2 hands.
I watched him build it somehow. And he made this bench yesterday.
It was more hours than I anticipated putting into it, a little heavier work than I thought, but it was a lot of fun.
The larger-than-life project that took months and about 17,000 gallons of water.
He was out here by himself every day, just dragging pallets and boards, and just to see it all finally fall into place was a feeling I've never had.
Simply a labor of love, coming at a time none of us can really explain.
It's sad that when we should be teaching them to socialize, we're teaching them to social distance.
And now,
To see them happy and to see them sort of free and just kids again.
smiles and laughs you can't fake.
Why didn't they thank you? Maybe 1,000 thank yous.
As for Papa Tony, he may just be a bit cooler than Santa.
So I think Sidney Crosby is my favorite player.
That was the correct answer.
All right, good.
That was Lisa Gresci reporting. The family tells us their only Christmas wish is to be able to keep the rink up and running through the winter. But you can totally tell why Papa Tony built that. His grandkids are really, really cute.